Welcome to Titan University's OSHA Asbestos Awareness Training. Are you looking to ensure a safer workplace and safeguard your health? Then you've come to the right place. This comprehensive training will empower you with the essential knowledge and skills to recognize and manage asbestos hazards effectively. Throughout this course, you'll discover the history and properties of asbestos, understand the severe health risks associated with exposure, and learn about compliance with OSHA regulations. Protecting yourself and your team from these risks is crucial. This course provides detailed insights into diseases like asbestosis, lung cancer, and mesothelioma. You'll understand how asbestos fibers can impact the respiratory system and other vital organs. In addition, you'll master the art of identifying asbestos-containing materials, assessing potential risks, and implementing effective control measures to minimize exposure. With interactive modules, real-life scenarios, and quizzes, this course is designed to keep you engaged every step of the way. Our expert instructors share years of experience, and upon completion, you'll receive a certification that showcases your commitment to asbestos safety and compliance. This certificate not only helps you ensure a safer workplace, but also enhances your professional credentials. Start your journey to safety today. Enroll now and take the next step in building a safer, healthier workplace with Titan University's OSHA Asbestos Awareness Training.